Hello and welcome to the iGameOver channel. And in this episode, we're continuing the series about building computers. We're going to take on installing a CPU or a processor cooler. Many think that this is somehow a very complicated and dangerous process, that so many things could go wrong. Yes, if you're not careful, but honestly, for many coolers, this process is more straightforward than you think. So, without further ado, let's get right into work. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to use an Arctic Cooling Freezer 13 cooler for the ease of use, but also for its cooling capabilities. This cooler comes with its own already pre-applied thermal paste, so there is no need to apply or buy your own paste at all. And now for the fun part of installing the cooler. Take the plastic bracket and align it like this. Then take the cream plastic pieces and stuck them into a holes. Be mindful that this might take a few tries, and if they don't align, you just have to try until all 4 are fixed. Once this part is done, you need to take the 4 black plastic pieces and stick them inside of the cream pieces in order to lock them securely in place. Do you see those 2 holes on the plastic bracket? Well, they will match to those holes in the cooler itself, and you'll need to screw them together with the included screws. First thing, remove the fan, more on that a little bit later, and align the cooler carefully and place it on your processor. You see, we removed that fan to be able to easily attach the screws. Now take the 2 included screws and attach them like this. Now tighten the screws from both sides, but make sure you don't over tighten too much, as this could potentially damage your motherboard. And now it's time to install the fan back, which is a simple thing. Just align it and pop it in place. Now find a CPU fan header on your motherboard. You might need to use a manual to find it. This will power and control the speed of the fan on our CPU cooler. Then take the fan cable and plug it into the CPU fan header. Lastly, take that fan cable and tuck it in somewhere safe so it's out of the way and it doesn't obstruct the airflow or hit the fan blades. So what do you think? It wasn't all that scary and all that difficult, wasn't it? Anyway, this is just another part. There will be more. In the next part, we're going to see how to install the processor itself. So I hope you enjoyed that part. If you did, leave a thumbs up and leave the comment down below, especially if you have any more questions. And don't forget to subscribe. So, I'll see you in the next episode. See ya. Bye. Peace.